Now, President Biden leveraging his federal muscle to order new federal vaccine requirements. It'll impact as many as 100 million Americans in the fight against the spread of COVID-19. The Delta variant is at issue. He spoke at the White House laying out the plan. Our Bofta Yimam explains, inside his speech, Bofta, there was that sharp criticism at some Americans. He's clearly fed up. Good morning. And what else did he have to say?
Good morning, Sharon, to everyone at home. That's right, sharp criticism. President Biden really coming down on the tens of millions of Americans who are not vaccinated, even though he says they have had access to free, effective, and safe shots. He also spelled out aggressive actions to help stop the spread of the pandemic, including at some employers. Let's break down exactly what the president is saying with this firm stance. He said if you're an employer with more than 100 workers, the president, again, now mandating your employees be vaccinated or test for the virus weekly. This will impact about 80 million Americans and about 17 million workers at health facilities that receive federal Medicare or Medicaid. President Biden also requiring vaccination for all federal employees and contractors. And folks, if you plan on taking a flight, you better mask up. The president now doubling federal fines for airline passengers who refuse to wear masks or maintain face covering requirements on federal property in accordance with the CDC guidelines. As you can imagine, folks, these latest actions bringing swift pushback from the GOP, including Arizona's Governor Doug Ducey tweeting, "This is exactly the kind of big government overreach we have tried so hard to prevent in Arizona. Now the Biden-Harris administration is hammering down on private businesses and individual freedoms in an unprecedented and dangerous way. This will never stand up in court." But others, like the American Medical Association, praised the president's decision. The president announced these firm orders yesterday, and this comes after the 7-day average of COVID deaths reached more than 1,500. A month ago, it was only about a third of that.
You want to work with the federal government and do business with us? Get vaccinated.
Well, I think the president is being somewhat moderate in his demand, if you want to call it that, in that there are some people who really don't want to get vaccinated, but they don't want to lose their job. You got to give them an off lane. And the off lane is if you get tested frequently enough and find out you're positive, you won't come to work and you won't infect other people. So it really is somewhat of a compromise there. Myself, I would make it just vaccinate or not. But he was trying to be moderate in what his pronouncement was.
And just yesterday, LA's Board of Education voted to require vaccines for those 12 and up. And we know, Sharon, that there are many who will now mirror that action.
Yeah, that's the plan. That's the intention. But no doubt there will be lawsuits, though. We've already heard the rumblings that follow this announcement by the president. In the meantime, those who don't comply, go over what's the penalty they will face.
Right, that's a good question, Sharon. So we know that this is going to impact so many federal workers, and if they decide not to comply, they will face counseling, disciplinary action, and possible termination. So folks could, at the end of the day, lose their job. And what about those large companies that have more than 100 workers? If they don't comply, OSHA, who will be enforcing these rules apparently, would place each violation at $14,000. So they are going to have to pay up. This is part of the president's way of really making sure that people do follow what we have seen has been, just not really complying. And so this is his way of saying, the money talks, or you may lose your job depending on which scenario you fall into. So the federal government is going to be making some other efforts. I do want to point out for example, making more of the testing available, selling at Walmart and Kroger. They're working with them to make sure folks, because you're going to have to do more testing depending on the school system that you're in and so forth. And so they want to make sure that this is accessible. So they are working with some of those providers to make sure that there will be more testing. But folks who don't comply will have to pay up or could lose their job. So they'll have to decide.
All right. The pressure is on. Yeah, it's getting a lot tighter around here. Thank you both. Bofta Yimam live in Washington.